AMC starts talks with lenders to cut debt and extend maturities. AMC Entertainment Holdings is holding confidential talks with some of its lenders about lowering its debt load and extending near-term maturities. As of right now, no final decision has been made. We had this happen recently. March 25th, 2024, why lenders are meeting to discuss AMC's debt. This is a very similar catalyst that we recently had in March, and it actually wasn't a good one. The same exact scenario where they declined to comment. It was AMC's private lenders in talks, and we had no further information about anything. What happened after this, March 25th, 2024? AMC decided to dilute the share price, selling $250 million worth of stock. So the question lies, is AMC about to dilute again? Is Adam Aron about to kill another run? This doesn't necessarily mean there's correlation this time. However, we are expecting a rally very soon on AMC, at least up to 1750, at least, right? And every time Adam Aron's spot on with this dilution and ready to kill any run that we see. As of right now, AMC's playing out a very similar pattern from the recent red zone that we tracked, breaking below this channel, which it is doing right here, but that's not necessarily what we're tracking. If you didn't see the video I uploaded yesterday covering all of the AMC and GameStop technicals, make sure to go watch that. AMC's basically right here in this cycle, curving down to make this valley, meaning this whole week we should see AMC go green until you break out of this channel and then get the real squeeze following that. GameStop, same thing. We're waiting to finish the cycle and get that next move up. And we have a catalyst Monday. Some people assume that this catalyst is going to squeeze AMC and GameStop immediately, in which could be the case since these cycles have been crunched to a shorter time frame this time around. Swap reporting requirement day, which will be effective on Monday. According to UCopy's analysis on Twitter, no wonder why AMC and GameStop has been dragging out for a while when it has to show direction. It's getting ready for the next short-term rally. AMC MACD level indicates same level as May 10th on Friday. What happens next Monday? Rip up 300%. The CAT system also starts a day after. Massive call buying in the money for GameStop. I expect a possible gap up next Monday, just like May 13th. In which the scenarios are playing out very similarly, right? Playing just like we said into May 13th, where AMC rallied higher, as well as GameStop. Now, out of 17,920,405 share volume for GameStop on June 21st, only 1.4 million shares were on NYSE, with 8.724 million shares traded off exchange as well. So over 53% of the float traded off exchange, and we saw AMC's off-exchange volume get insanely high, all the way up above 80%. Also, GameStop implied volatility reaching over 2,000%. It's almost as if GameStop is trading somewhere else and we don't see the price match. Plus, the CAT system updated data for June, and on June 7th, during Roaring Kitty's live stream, we covered this a little bit, right? You can see down here, June 7th, overall errors, over 1 billion errors in options. This is not a coincidence. Now, before I cover a short squeeze play, aside from AMC as well as GameStop, that could make you a lot of money, Fidelity representatives stated they have watched attorney Richard Hoffman's YouTube videos regarding MMTLP. In the FINRA petition, their attorneys also say MMTLP community members' Twitter posts. This proves broker-dealers, hedge funds, FINRA, and the SEC are keeping track and watching the MMTLP community's every move. Not only that community's every move, Roaring Kitty knew that regulators' suits were in his live stream, right? And I think the same ones watch these videos daily, at least some of them, maybe a very small portion of them. Make sure to like the video and let them know your thoughts in the comments down below in case they are watching. Now, we're bringing up an article from Investor Place. They say 3 short squeeze stocks to buy hand over fist in June 2024. I just want to bring up the first one, and it's Upstart. Upstart actually has a 33.7% short interest of the free float with over 7 days to cover. Now, I don't think Upstart is going to squeeze right here. I think it has a little bit more room to go right down to around $16.50 or $17. Once Upstart hits $16.50 to $17, I actually do think it has a shot at getting a nasty rip, and that's just because it plays through a cycle, right? This stock is on a cycle, and it's as simple as that. So watch Upstart for $16.50 to $17, and then I think that's buy range for this thing to get another move up. Now, Wells Fargo tells its clients to reduce exposure to overall tech stocks, which is going to bring us into Nvidia. Nvidia is collapsing at the top here, but it loves to make these patterns. However, this could actually potentially be the top, but again, I say it's too risky to trade. Jensen Huang just sold another $31 million worth of Nvidia, bringing his total sales in 1 week alone over $90 million, which is his largest cluster of sales in 19 years. Now, he's never bought a single share back in the company either. So you take a look at what actions are happening, not what is being said about Nvidia, and it's being sold by insiders. But again, one insider doesn't mean anything. Warren Buffett sold his Apple and Apple rose above $200. This doesn't necessarily mean much, but it's something to pay attention to. Dogecoin breaking below the support level. We said Dogecoin has to hold above 11 cents. This is what I'm watching on Doge. I just wanted to bring it up again since we are getting close to that level. SPY, top of the channel, came down, tested the fib. Watch this week for us to hold this base above 543. We really want to hold above 543 on the SPY. If not, you have a little bit of a gap fill down to 537. Couple last things. The United States has placed Japan on a watch list for currency manipulation. The jokes continue to write themselves. The movie is just getting started. And 2 NASA astronauts who rode to orbit on Boeing's Starliner are currently stranded in space, apparently, aboard the International Space Station after engineers discovered numerous issues with the Boeing spacecraft. They have reported a 45-day window to bring them back. Drop your conspiracies down below. This company just doesn't stop coming out. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend. We dropped the earnings in Discord. If you're not in Discord yet, I post my trades as soon as I take them in there. So you guys could come follow my trades. Nothing I say is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor once again. But the Discord is the 3rd link under the video. I want to state, personally, I used to not want to get in any Discords when I started for my first couple years. And I realized that that was a big mistake because it leveled myself up, my knowledge, my trading. And overall, you understand the community. You understand the vibes that everyone wants to become financially free like yourself. So don't sleep on it. Come try it out. It's one of the cheapest Discords on YouTube, especially for the value that you get out of it. We also have options trading alerts in there. We talk stocks, crypto, post our gains, post our losses, and overall, most amazing people in there. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, we want all the knowledge in the Discord community. So come join the family. The link is under the video and I'll pin it in the comments. Alongside that link is Moomoo. It's a free broker. If you haven't done it yet, it's free cash. You're earning up to 15 free stocks once you open an account and deposit into that account. You're also getting 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash. And aside from those benefits, it's a great broker. Easy interface, customizable earnings calendar. I like it personally for the notifications. They let you view other exchanges. They give you level 2 order book data for free so you can see where whales are loading up and dropping off shares. And you also have to pay for this stuff on Webull. And this isn't a sponsor. This isn't a promo necessarily, right? They're not paying me a flat rate to do this. It's an affiliate. And I think the interface is great and it has positive benefits for you as well as I. That is the 2nd link under the video and pin in the comments. Again, sign up and make a deposit. Lastly, go get my custom indicator if you do not have it yet. It is the very top link under the video. I'm excited to bring it to you guys and I hope it does you well. Enjoy your weekend. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.